Ay, sige pa, ma'am. May ticket ka.
Sa inutan ka pila.
Hindi, nalang sige. Bawal yan. Say something.
Hi, welcome and thank you for coming. Next time, ano naman, Batman?
Okay. Ayan.
may program siya, kukunan ko ang speech niya.
Okay lang yan, ano? Okay lang mag-video dito sa labas. Pero paano mamaya sa loob yung movie, pupunta sa labas.
Oo. Pero
Marisur Chapter. I am Mr. Hubert Picard, the incumbent president of the UP Alumni Association, Kamsur Chapter. Dahil lang, galing ako doon sa taas eh. Hindi ko dala ang aking powers. Okay. First and foremost, in behalf of the organization, the UP Alumni Association, we'd like to thank you from the bottom of our heart, from the bottom of our pocket, and from your pocket, for supporting this particular fundraising event of the UP Alumni Association. And before anything else, as is customary, I'd like to also first acknowledge the presence of the sponsors. Nandun po sila lahat. Alam niyo na yun kung sino kayo. Naku, siguro naman kahit paano nabigyan natin ng bugay ang inyong mga negosyo. And I'd like to acknowledge also the presence of the past presidents of the UP Los Baños Alumni Association, starting off with Mr. Johnny Las, and also Mr. Beda Rialuyo, the immediate past president of the UP Los Baños Alumni Association, and the incumbent president of the UP Los Baños Alumni Association, no other than Mr. George Palma. And definitely, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the past president of the UP Alumni Association, Kamsur Chapter, no other than Architect Francisco Padua. Actually, baka pagalitan ako pag hindi ko siya in-acknowledge, nakatutok sa akin ang mga mata. So I'd like to acknowledge the immediate past president of Kamsur Chapter UP, Clarin Palomares Tobias. Okay. Meron pa ba? Okay, George pa. Okay. Well, basically, I'd just like to inform you, especially for kung meron kayong relatives, siblings, and UP alumni, this is one way for us for reaching out to you and informing you that the UP Alumni Association is very much active here in Camarines Sur. Actually, as what you've seen, last year we just had the first Bicol Career Educational Expo and Kapihan sa Naga. No other than the Department of Education Secretary Arvin Luiso gracing that particular event. And this is also an event where I would like to invite all the UP alumni, yung kahit paano, or kung meron kayong relative or siblings na UP alumni, na at least please make your presence felt. Please register dun po kanina. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-register, please register. And definitely, we'll try to get back to you and inform you of other events that will be happening for this year. And we'd like to also to inform you that the main advocacy of the organization is education. That's why talagang itong ginagawa natin sa fundraising event, at least to promote the culture of a positive change. We want to be catalyst for the positive change to the community or to the society we're all part of. And lastly, baka kasi excited na kayo masyado sa Superman, so the Man of Steel. So in lieu of this, we'd like for us to inform you, for all those who intends to apply for the UP, application forms are still downloadable at the UP website, and you have until June 21 to submit your application form. As per the advice of the President Alfredo Pascual himself, wala po tayong sinisino. Lahat ng fourth year graduating students ay may karapatang kumuha ng eksaminasyon sa UP. So, yun, ipinapaalam po ng ating incumbent president of the UP system, Mr. Dr. Alfredo Pascual. And in lieu of this, kung lahat lalo sa mga UP na nag-graduate sa UP, alam nyo naman, lagi nyo pa sa graduation, di ba nakikita natin? The organization would like to be the catalyst and would like to serve the people. So, habang nandyan pa kayo at may tumatawag na sa akin kasi kailangan na daw si Superman, so I have to get into my alter ego. So, thank you very much and enjoy the show and enjoy the evening. Thank you.